Meaning of goodness.
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 Goodness. Goodness is a term that refers to the quality or state of being good. It is a subjective concept that can be interpreted differently by individuals based on their values, beliefs, and moral standards. Generally, goodness is associated with positive attributes such as kindness, honesty, morality, generosity, and compassion. It is often used to describe actions, behaviors, or traits that are considered positive or desirable. Depending on the context, goodness may also connote excellence, superiority, or virtue. Overall, goodness represents a desirable quality or state that is often sought after and valued by many people.